From Japan to New Zealand. Comfortable and affordable, established Japan homes. When general customers want to build a house, they look up the builder online. But too many choices, and majors respond slowly. After all, customers don't know what to choose. When investors think about land development, investors are worried about this choice because they have failed to choose builders in the past. Thus, customers want to choose a builder they can trust. In such a case, please leave it to Japan Homes. Budget. Decide what you need. Initial research. Resource consent. Subdivision. Building consent. New home construction. Maintenance. Japan Homes is available at any stage. At the first time, we will give you a free consultation carefully, comprehensive advice on how to get most out of your land. Japan builds a house on a small land. We will make such use of Japanese methods and experience. Spec check, simplify plans, builder and subs advice, time management, on time maximize property value. Clarify with a detailed estimate. Know and control your budget and hope. We will give you a document each time. Support a balance between budget and finance. From there, the project starts. You can also grasp the schedule and the current status during construction with the system called Builder Trend. We are a LBP and MB certified company. We will make our customers smile by creating a safe home. Even after building, we value communication such as building confirmation and advice. I hope to make more people happy in the future. I will improve and continue to such a smile. Japan Homes.